What's going on, mi gente? What's going on? How's everybody doing? Konnichiwa, Jinhao, Aloha. This is Vivian, the AfroCuban Trader, and I'm going to go over my trade setup for today, Thursday, October 5th. So with that being said, let's get started. This is a disclaimer disclosure that I am not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purpose only. You can read this on your own leisure and time. So that being said, let's get started. So on my previous videos, I had the 240 minutes, which is the 4-hour chart, and I had the 1 minute chart that I was looking, I had up, not really looking at it, but I decided to get rid of it. I also got rid of some of the instrument like ES, XP 500 and oil, because I really don't trade them. And the only thing that I have up now is a 60-minute NQ with the 5-minute and the RTY and the Russell. And those are the only two instruments that I actually trade. So it makes it easier on my eyes, and I'm able to focus a little bit better when I'm trading. So let's get into the RTY. That's what I traded today. And let me show you. Today, it was kind of, RTR was kind of playing around. So I have the 60-minute chart, which is the 1 hour, and then you see purple lines, and this represent previous 1 hour 60-minute highs and low. This right here fluctuates with price. So at one time, this is where it was. So these are my 60-minute 1 hour previous high and low before market opens at 9:30 New York session. The aqua lines, these are the daily highs, and also I'm looking at liquidity, and the lows down here. This box over here was the aqua box. This is the equilibrium of the 1 hour. So that's all I do for that. Then I'm looking at my 5-minute chart for trade setup and to enter the market. I enter on the 5 minutes. This is pre-market before market opens at 9:30. The yellow is the 9:30 open. The blue is the range of the time that I'm trading between 9:45 and 11. This here is a Fibonacci that I took, I think, earlier on the 5-minute, and this right here is the fair value gap that I see. So at 9:30, when market opened, it gave a nice bullish candle that rejected the low, came up, but also didn't trade any higher. So it went the high of the 1 hour. Then on the next candle, it went up to the daily high, rejected, came back down, down under the 1 hour high that I have here. So I waited, and I took a sell right here, all the way down to the fair value gap that I seen. And then I took another trade once it broke this fair value gap box, and I took it down to the low of the 1 hour, and I was out of the trade, and what's the win? This is a 50 a 15 moving average that I have here that if I didn't mention. So you're probably wondering, well, I stated before that if I'm looking for buy, it has to be above the equilibrium of the 1 hour, or if I'm looking for sale, it has to be below the equilibrium of the 1 hour. But in this case, price rejected the high of the 1 hour and the high of the daily. So that already kind of told me that price wasn't going to trade higher, and I took the sell. Sometimes you have to understand what price is doing, and even though I say that I'm looking for buy, doesn't mean that I'm going to take the buy. You still have to consider everything else that's playing out. So this it was a win for me. I trade according to my trading plan, like I mentioned before, because I'm doing a prop firm and I want to pass it. Now NQ was actually the best to take today. Even I should have been looking at it, but I didn't. So NQ today, what happened was that this is the 60-minute 1 hour. So again, I'm mapping out the same that I did with the RTY, the high and the low of the previous time for the 1 hour, 60-minute. This is the equilibrium of the range of the 1 hour, and this equilibrium is from the 5-minute. I have a daily low and a daily high up here that I'm also looking at. So after that, go down to your 5-minute, and it was much cleaner. At 9:30, when the candle opened, it gave a nice bullish candle, but it rejected the supply zone in here. It gave a nice candle bullish that you could have traded up to the 1 hour low. Then it retested the 1 hour low and continued down to the equilibrium. So this was a nice cleaner trade, but I wasn't paying attention to NQ, so that's why I didn't trade it. But it was much cleaner to trade. So overall, it was I did good today. It was a win, and I was very happy with that. So with that being said, if anybody's interested in trading a platform for future, I'm using Apex Trader funding. This is my affiliate link. This is a coupon code that you're able to get 50% off the purchase price if you guys decide to purchase a funded account with or a profit account with future, and it's Apex Trading funding. So with that being said, please give me a thumb up, give me a like, share this video. This is your girl, the AfroCuban Trader, and I'll see you guys mañana. Bye.